Hello everyone. The tsvetomuzyki transistor is used in many devices, starting from power supplies and ending with power amplifiers. But today I want to make a 3-channel color music based on these transistors, which will control several meters of LED strip. And without wasting time, we begin the assembly. The principle of operation of this scheme is based on the division of sound into 3 ranges: high, medium and low frequencies. Each channel monitors its frequency boundary, and as soon as its level reaches a threshold value, an LED or, as in our case, an LED strip is lit. Each transistor acts as a threshold comparator, that is, an operational amplifier with a high gain. When the input level exceeds 0.6 volts, the transistor opens. In front of each transistor there is a filter made of a resistor and a capacitor. The supply voltage of this circuit is 12 volts. In this scheme, I will use tsvetomuzyki transistors, but they can be easily replaced with other similar ones. For example, tip 31, tip 41 and the rest are similar. Moreover, if you use not an LED strip but one LED in the load of this color music, then these transistors can generally be replaced with some low power ones, for example, KT315. At first, I wanted to fix the capacitors C4 and C5 in the middle of this structure, but no matter how hard I tried, I could not do it. Therefore, I left one capacitor inside and I will solder the other later somewhere outside. It remains to solder the resistances and a few jumpers. Well, the color music is ready. It turned out quite compact. Now I will solder the LED strips. And it will be possible to check this scheme. I will solder a red LED strip to the channel with high frequencies, a green LED strip to the medium frequencies and a blue LED strip to the low frequencies. order. It's time to check out the color music. The supply voltage is 12 volts, and I will give the signal to the power amplifier. That is, I connected the wire to one of the speakers. This color music looks very nice using RGB LED strip. Now I will solder a meter-long piece of this tape, and we will see what happens. This concludes this video. If you liked it, if you liked such a color music, then do not forget to subscribe to the Invexlab channel so as not to miss new videos and new homemade crafts. I thank you for watching and bye.